the manufacturers of grout always make a color matching acrylic caulk and silicone caulk. And when you're caulking your joints, make sure you use. Is there really a difference between siliconized acrylic caulk or latex caulk and 100% silicone caulk? Okay, so this is, can you read it there? Siliconized acrylic caulk. And this one here is 100% silicone. So let's see what happens and how these two perform. I have just a couple pieces of tile. Put a bead of latex caulk on here in between the tiles, and I'll put a bead of silicone between the tiles. Let's put these down and see what happens. These are both brand new tubes. Let's do this test. Let it sit for a couple of days and we'll see what the difference is. Okay, so first I'm gonna open the silicone. Okay, so let's do the silicone first. Just want to get that joint full.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.
I'm not going to clean it up. I'm just going to leave it like that. Now this is the acrylic caulk. This is not brand specific. This could be any acrylic, and that could be any silicone. It's just these are the ones I happen to have. Same thing. This is silicone, and this is acrylic latex. So I'm going to let those cure probably for 2 days, 48 hours, and then we'll see what happens with the caulk and what the difference is. I got these things back out here. They've been drying since Wednesday, all day Wednesday, Thursday, and half a day today. So let's see what the results are. And this is the one with the silicone. So I'm gonna see if I can pick this up, peel this off here. See that? Very flexible. Very flexible, it's not giving way. So this is the acrylic. See what happens when I bend it. It just falls apart. Same amount of time. Whereas this one here, the silicone, can't even pull on it. I can pull on it. I'm pulling on this. See, I can pull on that. I can't get it apart even if I try pulling on that. Whereas this one here came completely apart. So this is the acrylic that the silicone has. See that? Slap that around. So this is why you want to use silicone, because it's made for this purpose, to seal and to leave a flexible joint. The acrylic, as it dries, it just gets harder and harder and harder. At the beginning it's flexible, but it doesn't have a lot of tensile strength. You just saw what happens. So when you're caulking your corners, you want to make sure you use the right product, which is 100% silicone. And when you're caulking your joints, make sure you use silicone.